Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the same Microsoft account on each computer so files match across devices. Once signed in, install the OneDrive desktop app and accept permissions. This lets OneDrive run continuously. During the initial setup, choose which folders to sync to avoid cloning everything and using too much disk space. Make sure to pick a sensible default folder location now so you don't have to move files later. And confirm the app is running in the system tray before moving on. Next, configure selective sync. Open OneDrive settings and check only the folders you need on each machine, because different devices often require different content. If you prefer storing files on another drive, change the default OneDrive folder location in settings and move files carefully so links remain intact. If you use a personal and work account, add the second account under Add an Account and configure each account's sync scope independently. Once done, watch the sync icons to verify files, begin transferring between computers. Finish by verifying sync. Edit a small file on one computer and confirm the change appears on the other device. Green check marks mean everything is up to date. If you need to move big batches, pause sync temporarily to preserve bandwidth, then resume when convenient. Make sure automatic startup is enabled so OneDrive runs after reboot. If sync stalls or files show conflicted copies, reset OneDrive using the app's reset command and sign in again. This resolves most persistent sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.